In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Cornell notes in Logseq. We'll set up a clean Cornell layout inside your daily pages so you can capture ideas, quiz yourself later, and finish with a concise summary. Start by opening Logseq. From the sidebar, go to your journal. The journal is perfect for class sessions and meetings because it automatically organizes notes by date, and everything you add here is searchable later. Before we type, let's quickly review the Cornell system. It has three parts. The main notes section is where you write the key ideas and supporting details you hear or read. A narrow Q column is where you add keywords, prompts, and questions you'll use to test your recall. And at the bottom, a brief summary helps you distill the page to its essentials. In Logseq, you can structure this without a special template. Create a top block for the topic of the session, then beneath it make 3 child blocks titled Notes, Cues, Questions, and Summary. Use regular bullets inside each of those areas. This keeps everything grouped, easy to fold and unfold, and simple to review. If you work with academic papers or citations, you may want quick reference capture. In the plugins area, type Zotero, then click Install. That adds a connector many learners use to bring references into their notes. It's optional, but helpful if your source material lives in a reference manager. Now let's see a concrete example. Add a parent block that says Topic Photosynthesis. Under Notes, type the details as you learn. Definitions, processes, examples, and any diagrams you describe in words. Keep lines short and one idea per bullet so you can scan them later. Under Cues or questions, type the prompts that match those notes. Terms to recall, who, what, why questions, and problem types you expect. You'll use this column to quiz yourself by hiding the notes section and answering from memory. At the end of your study session, move to summary and write a few sentences that capture the big picture and what you'd tell someone else in your own words. As you review, collapse and expand the 3 sections to focus. Skim the notes, test with cues, questions, and refine your summary if anything still feels unclear. With this simple structure in your journal, you'll build clear, testable pages every day, and your Logseq graph will stay tidy and easy to search.